One of my board members for years used to say to me, Jace, don't sit in the same seat around the table. Change your geography and it'll change your perspective. And we used to laugh, but there's a transferable principle in that. And my 2-minute conviction today is that as you change your geography, you will change your perspective. You will see potentially the world around you very differently. As a physio who has run practices for 20 years, I used to love coming into the waiting room and sitting right where a patient would ordinarily view the world and take notice of things. I'd see how tidy or disorganized the practice looked. I would be able to focus on the view of the receptionist and whether I could see her smiling or what she was working on behind the desk. I would listen to how she answered the phone and talked to people. I would watch other patients coming in and out. My whole perspective shifted just by changing my geography. Do you know, even where you sit at home around the dinner table, and we have 4 kids, can change your perspective. If I always sit opposite the same person, then I get very familiar with who to ask the questions of and what it might be that gets my attention. But if we shuffle our seats regularly, do you know what? I get the incredible experience of seeing someone new right across from me. And it prompts me to ask different questions. And it's this encouragement. This is my 2-minute conviction. Change your geography and it changes your perspective. This is true in our teams, at work, as anywhere else. Move around an issue, a circumstance. Try and get different angles of view, lines of sight. And you might be amazed at what you see, particularly if with intent you're looking for it. And right now in COVID times, and I'm in Victoria, we are physically restricted like never before. But you know what? We can still change our geography. We can change what we're looking for and potentially get a whole new perspective. It's like looking through a whole new lens on our situation. And I really hope that encourages you this week to move around your particular circumstances, literally or virtually, to get a new perspective on how